Hey there, this is Andy Haas with Raptor Creative. We're going to be putting in a couple of shelves today in the prototyping lab here at Raptor Creative with the new Store Your Board shelves. Thanks to our friends at Store Your Board, they shipped us some great shelves for our prototyping lab. And what we're going to do is install them so that you guys have an easy time to do the same where you are. So this is our prototyping lab here, and we're going to go inside. And I've already done a little bit of pre-work to get the position of the shelf in place. So there you can see the shelf that we're putting in. And I've got, some of the holes drilled and, the shelf itself temporarily put in place. We're using a laser level here that will allow us to continue that process of putting in the shelf. So let's see how we do that. We're going to go. Before we get started, I want to let you in on what we're doing here. We've got, a few of these prototype machine. We've got a resin printer from Peopoly. We've got another resin printer from the guys at Elegoo. We've got a FDM printer from Creality. We've got some dryer spools there, and we've got this automatic 4-spool changer, but it's in the way. It's constantly in the way for me. So what I want to do is put them on a shelf so that they're up and out of the way, and that way we have more room to work. It'll be easier to access the 3D printers. We're also getting an additional Elegoo 3D printer here. So this UV chamber is going to have to move up there. So let's see how we do that. These went in great. They look good. They do exactly what I need them to do, which is hold these products up here, make some more room around here. I did replace the Elegoo with a Creality, but only temporarily. I've got another Elegoo down there that just needs a little bit of servicing. If you like this video, put a like down there, and we'll see you on the next one.